What is CosPLA, and why does it matter for prop makers? CosPLA from Polymaker is made to be stronger and sand smoother than regular PLA, perfect for cosplay builders. We printed both of these faceplates using the same settings, same layer height, speed, and temperature to keep it fair. Now, let's start with the sanding. Now that we have the cosplay PLA faceplate sanded, let's start working on the normal PLA. After sanding with some 220 grit, here's what we achieved within a 2 to 3 minute ratio. And I have to say, even now, it feels really smooth compared to the normal PLA. This would still need way more sanding and probably like Rust-Oleum thick primer. We're going to take these both to the paint booth, and we are back from the priming booth. Here is the, as we can see, we could work more here. Personally, I would keep hitting this and just going between that and filler primer. And here's the cosplay PLA with one coat of primer. It's a lot more smoother. I would maybe just touch up around here and here, and then work my way up to 300 and another coat of, and then start wet sanding. So it would be a lot less work. As we can see on Polymaker's website, we see how they have the Polylight CosPLA for $24.99, but they're having their Black Friday sale at the moment, so you get an extra 20% off at checkout. There is a version A for durability with extra standability, and version B, standability with extra durability. Now when we look at the chart, we can see how version A and version B differ from each other. They offer this in a 1 kilogram and a 5 kilogram. Scrolling down, we get more info regarding the filament. So for us, cosplay PLA version B hits the sweet spot. It's strong, reliable, and way easier to sand than standard PLA. If you want something that sands even easier but gives up a bit of strength, go with version A. But we must also say, we do wish that there was a COS PETG, only for the heat resistance, in case we have to leave a cosplay model out in the car one day. We don't want it to work. We would like to thank Polymaker for sending us this roll to test.